Like if you're not fully committed, don't do it because it will kill you. But if you love it, then you'll do it happily.
How do you connect that piece with your most passionate customers?
So, being in a bakery and seeing my customers face to face, it really taught me what they were looking for. And it was very similar to what I was looking for. And, their needs are not being met in the larger scheme of retail. They go to a store and they're bombarded with all the things that they don't want.
Right.
And it kind of planted a seed in my mind, like, oh, maybe I need to get into supermarkets. Maybe I need to do something a little bigger than what I'm doing right now.
Right. I think I know the answer to this, but just for the audience, tell us a little bit about kind of why do you think you're going to stand out and win here?
So our main point of difference is that not only are we gluten-free, we're also refined sugar-free.
Okay.
So there's a lot of gluten-free brands on the market, but they usually sweeten their desserts with white sugar. They also use a lot of ingredients to mimic traditional desserts, and usually are gums and artificial ingredients and things like that and flavorings. Our desserts are very honest, they're very straightforward. So it's like what you see is what you get. And its ingredients, if you read the ingredients of things that you recognize, they're sweetened with coconut sugar. So it doesn't spike your blood sugar. It's full of vitamins and minerals, so it's more nutritious than other sweeteners. And it tastes just like regular sugar without being regular sugar. So that's what makes us different. It's not only are we gluten-free and not only are we healthier, we're refined sugar-free.